If you have a 2004 Toyota Sienna and it's making a squeaky noise under the steering wheel, this is how you fix it. As you can hear, there is the squeaking noise. Now you're going to put lube on the part that you hear the squeaking noise. You can use any lube that you want. This is the one that I'm using right now. There's no more squeaky noise.